Hi, welcome to Sage Mind Yoga. My name is Natalie. Today I'm going to be leading you through a gentle yoga flow that is meant to be really grounding and really nourishing. So no props are required. We will go ahead and get started in tabletop pose. So coming onto hands and knees. Go ahead and bring that right leg out behind you and then cross it over to the left side. C shape with the spine towards the right, looking over your left shoulder towards the right foot. Closing the eyes if that feels good for you today. Now slowly bring that right foot to the outside of your right hand for a lizard pose, making any adjustments you need. If you want, you can stay here. If you'd like to take this a little bit further, go ahead and lift the right toes, pivot to the outside of your right foot and hold here. If you'd like, you can also lower down to your forearms. Just really listening to your body here. This is meant to be a very grounding flow. So no pushing. We don't want to use too much strength here. It's meant to just be a very gentle stretch. Bringing the right foot flat to the mat again, stepping that right leg back. This time extending the left leg out behind you, crossing it over towards the right, circling the spine to the left side, looking over your right shoulder to that left leg. Deep inhales and exhales here. And lifting the right leg up, bringing it to the outside of that left hand. You can make any adjustments you need. And you can stay here, or if you did so on the other side and want it to intensify, lift those left toes up, roll to the outside of your your left leg. Take one more big inhale and exhale. Foot comes flat to the mat. Stepping it back, knees apart, big toes together, pushing back into your child's pose, resting your forehead and your arms down on the mat. Again, this is meant to be super grounding, so just finding whatever feels the most relaxing. If you're finding it's hard to breathe in any of these poses, it typically means you've gone a little bit too deep. So just find the edge of sensation that feels good, where you can still breathe. Inhale, slowly come up, and we will make our way to our back. Slowly lowering down, keeping your legs bent. Go ahead and take a half happy baby on the right. So grabbing onto the right foot with your right hand. The left leg can just kind of flop over to the side, just a little bit of a counterweight. My arm is to the inside of my leg. Releasing this pose, go ahead and bring the right leg in towards the chest, straightening the left leg, carrying this over into a twist, using the left hand to guide that knee over. Make sure when you're in a twist, you're keeping both shoulders in contact with the mat. And again, trying to breathe deeply here. If you're finding it hard to breathe, you may need to come out of the twist a little bit. Take one more big inhale. And exhale. Letting go of this twist, hugging the knees in, just kind of rocking side to side. You'll go ahead and repeat these two poses on the other side. So half happy baby on the left, holding the left foot with the arm into the inside of the leg. Right leg can just kind of be flopped over to the side as a little bit of a counterweight. And releasing this pose, bring the left leg, or the left knee in towards the chest, straightening the right. And exhale, twisting that leg over. Left arm out to the side, looking over towards that left hand. One more big breath in and out. Releasing this twist. Both knees come in towards the chest, give them a big squeeze, and rocking side to side. And coming into Shavasana, so you could either straighten your legs or keep them bent, just being mindful of how this feels on your lower back. I like to keep my legs straight, knees falling in towards each other, hands on my belly. We'll be here for just a few breaths. Begin to deepen your breath, starting with your inhale. Exhaling out. Finding maybe some gentle movement in fingers and toes, maybe rolling out the wrists. Coming onto your side in the fetal position. Keeping your eyes closed, push yourself up to seated. Sitting in any way that feels comfortable to you. Hands come to your heart center. Big breath in and out. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for this simple grounding yoga flow. I hope you feel more calm and more connected to your body. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you would like to see on this channel. I hope to see you again on the mat very soon. Thank you.